Welcome back to another video. This will be regarding assembly design, and we're gonna see mainly the limitation of assembly design over here. So this is a simple robotic arm. So we see over here the geometry. And if I will go over here and I want to manipulate this robotic arm, and I will go with respect to constraints, because if I'm gonna check over here, there are various coincidences between the components. So if I will go with respect to constraints and I want to rotate the robotic arm over here, we're going to see that I can do that quite easily. But if I will select over here that I want to drag along the robotic arm over here, I can go on different axes. So I can go on X and I will see the direction over here within the compass. And I will select the last part. And if I will move this a little bit forward, again, we're going to see that I can move this. But since there are no limitations, if I will just move the mouse a little bit more than that, we're going to see that the robot will do a full 360 flip over here and will go back into this position. So this is something that is not natural, and the robotic arm won't be able to do that. If I will go over here on the y-axis, we see the orientation of the y-axis. If I will select this component and I will drag it, this will act just like the rotation around the z-axis that I previously shown. If I will select this on the z-axis, we see the orientation of the z-axis, and I want to drag this. Again, we're going to see how this will move. So I'm dragging the mouse toward the left side, and we see that the robotic arm will simulate like this to the left. If I will go after a certain distance, we're gonna see that the robotic arm will do various strokes and it will rotate like this quite oddly. Again, this is again a limitation, and it's highly recommended that we use DMU Kinematics, and I have a lot of videos regarding this on my channel, mainly because over there we can also simulate a cylindric joint over here, like the one controlling this robotic arm. So this is the main reason why I recommend that most mechanisms will be created over there. And within assembly, it's mostly used to verify various components that they will assemble properly. Okay, so I hope you find this video useful. I will position a similar video on the left side and a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.